Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. Traditional tomato rice. This is a lunchbox recipe. I learned it from my mom. The taste will be very excellent. During my college days, I usually take this rice. My friends took this lunchbox and they won't give it to me. This will take minimum 25 minutes of preparation. Let's see it. In a dry pan, take 2 spoons of oil and heat it. Once it gets heated up, add 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Wait until it splatters. Add 1 spoon of chana dal. Chana dal will give you crunchy taste. Add 6 curry leaves. Add 4 pinch of hing. Fry all these ingredients together. Add 5 green chilies split in the middle. This is the only spicy thing that we are going to add for this. Add 8 small onions cut into small pieces and then add it here. Add 5 garlic. Fry these onions and garlic for minimum 3 minutes. Add quarter spoon of turmeric to give color. For this type of tomato rice, we have to add small onions. That will give an extraordinary taste. Now you could see onions and garlic are cooked very well. Add nicely chopped 2 tomatoes. Add 3/4 spoon of salt. I have added salt including for rice. Tomatoes needs to be cooked very well. For that we have to close the lid and then cook it for minimum 4 minutes. Now close the lid. After 2 minutes of cooking, you could see the water coming from the tomato. See here. Just mix it once so that it will not stick at the bottom. I have kept the flame in medium. Just smash the tomato as much as possible. Now close the lid again and cook it for another 3 minutes. The flame should be in medium. After 3 minutes, take out the lid and cook it in open air for minimum 3 minutes again. Meanwhile, get ready with the cooked rice. This has to come to the stage like tokku. It should be little thick whenever we are adding rice. Add 1 spoon of oil before adding the rice. Add 2 cups of cooked rice. Mix the rice gently with the tomato gravy. Whenever my mom prepared this tomato rice for school or college, she usually take the chili and curry leaves so that I can eat freely. What a dedication from her. Again close with the lid and cook it for 1 minute in low flame. Our excellent tomato rice is ready. Just sprinkle some coriander leaves. This is a traditional tomato rice with less number of ingredients. and there are no extra masalas added. This quantity will come for 2 people. It goes well with potato curry with skin. Separate video is there to prepare the potato curry with skin. Try these recipes and leave your comments. Thank you. Tip of the video: always use silver box for lunch. Don't use plastic boxes.